Hello, this is Tom Luque. My website is mastgates.com for items I make for sailboats, and other innovations are posted on shapeways.com. This is my Ruger SR22. The magazine has been removed and shell removed to make it safe for my demonstration. I found that my fingertips are kind of sensitive to try to hold onto these edges to pull on the gun. So I made this aid 3D printed demonstration that can fit into the grooves of the gun, either in the front for pulling, or I took some rubber cement contact, put it on the inside, press it into place, let it sit overnight. So now this will also fit in my holster, and it's also easier, bigger surface area to grab when you want to rack your slide. So I've seen many videos you want to tap and rack, and I'm pretty sure I have the same problem that some women have, that our skin is just a little too soft and delicate for the range. Thank you for viewing, and this will be posted up on shapeways.com.